Sean here at Spotlight Customs. Today is Monday. We'll do our beginning of week walk around. Lee is working on some BMW E30 seats. Here's a before. We got old torn up seat covers, and Lee is working on installing these beautiful pre-made seat covers. These actually come from Lithuania. They have a great fit, really nice quality stitching, great to work with. So Lee is just going to repair some foam and then install all new seat covers, and then he'll also do door panels and side panels.
Watch it. Stop what you're doing. Oh, you're trying to stay there.
It's Wednesday, Sean here, Spotlight Customs. We're in the shop. Just wanted to go over a situation that we're dealing with the Bel-Air. In order to install the headliner, we had to have the front and rear glass pulled. So the headliner got installed, and then we had John from AGS Glass reinstall the glass in the trim. These Bel-Airs are a bit tricky. So after the glass was in, I wanted to do a water test and make sure the window didn't leak, because these are very prone to leaking, just kind of a bad old design. But long story short, the glass does leak, and when I did the water test, after the water test, I took an air gun to try and spray the water out of the channels just so it didn't sit there, and we had a piece of paint chip right around the window trim. So just something that can happen, and it also extends our build time or length that we have the car probably by 2 or 3 weeks by now too. So after I'm done babbling, I'll have Matthew come over and show where the paint chipped, and we're going to try and have it spotted in so we don't end up having to repaint the whole roof. But just wanted to explain one of many situations that can happen in and outside of a car as we build interiors here. So as you can see here, the paint chipped right along this window trim. I don't think it's anything that the glass guys did. You can see, pretty clean bare metal, which is kind of a sign of bad adhesion, maybe in the paint prep process. So this car was bought at Mecum. We don't know a whole lot about the process in which it was painted. So we're gonna try and remove this window trim and then have it spotted in up the road by our friend Jeff. It's Friday, ain't got no job, have too much to do. We're here with the BMW E30 pieces upstairs with Lee. He's finishing on the center console wrap from the kit, and then I believe the customer should come by, pick up what's done, and then all Lee has left to do is install the rear seat cover and maybe wrap the glove box, lid, if we have enough leftover vinyl. So all in all, he's finishing up on a strong note this week, and I'll be downstairs working on the Bel-Air center console, and hopefully we can finish that car up by the end of next week. See, here's what I say. Oh, 1 more week, 2 more weeks, but then we have our little paint issue, and then that kind of throws a monkey wrench in everything, but we'll still work through it and get back on the 442 once the Bel-Air is complete. So good week, good progress. Everyone had an awesome time last night at Mays Valley, and we'll finish the week strong here.